and welcome back to Call Where I Create Creations. I am so excited to be here to show you guys another beautiful, spectacular wreath. We are working with a 24-inch wired ribbon. I made this sign this weekend from items from the 99 cent store, cursiving and gluing on, and it just came out spectacular. And I also made this beautiful ribbon. Yes, indeed. It's just the loops. I have, if you know, on my other videos, I have loops and just loops and loops and put the other loops together. Then you got multiple loops. Okay, enough of that. We are working with some greenery. We got this. And we also working with some little lemons and some little flower-like orange colors. Wow, we just got a variety of colors going on today. We got some of these, which are all over. And we got some peonies. And we got a variety of flowers. Bright yellow spring looking flower daffodils, some like sunflowers, some of the like white roses, some yellow ones. Like I said, recycle your items. And some of this I found in my box of the leftovers, recyclables. Okay, but enough of that. Let's get started. Yes, indeed. Like always, I am so happy to be here with you guys. Yes, indeed. It was a long weekend, but hey, I am back. Okay, now, oh, this way. I'm getting all excited. Which one? Because we got one that's making a tail. I think it's this one. We got a little tail hanging down, so I bought these in bunches, so there's one that has a long little pit of tail right here. We're going to get that, and we're just going to bring that down. Hey, look at that. Wow. Okay, now we're going to get this one. I think this was the one. Oh, well. They're the same. We're going to get this out of the one. We're going to bring this up here. Get some. Just work with your florals. And with this wreath, which I love to work with, you could just pin anything on in there. And it's so easy. Just insert, look at, bam, and fasten it on there. And you got it all good. Let's kind of squeeze this in. There we go. Yes, indeed. Spring break going on. Spring break. Okay, there we go. Got that going on right here. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Okay, we're just going to move some of these. Let's move around and work with your greeneries and your wreath. Okay, just twist it and bam, look at that. Yeah. Right here. Let me hold up on those. So now let's go over here with these. I think these are dogwood. I don't know, but they are beautiful. Okay, watch what this is going to do. Okay, we're going to get this. Let's see. Let's work with this. And then weave it in with your wreath and your greenery, you know. We're going to put this right here. Yeah, look at that. They got like wire on there too. Let me move around. Okay, let's see where. Let's work our way up here. Grab a piece and twist your item onto your wreath. Wow. Now this one, let's see. We had some on the top too, huh? Kind of spurting out. I think we're going to get this guy. Let's move some of these around and there you go. Twist that in right here. Bring these out just a little bit more right here. So, like I said too, you could use your glue gun if you really want it sturdy. You know, and get it on there. Be careful with that glue gun though. Now this, I think we're going to get this guy right here. How's it looking, everybody? It's just the beginning, huh? Look at that. Wow. Variety of colors. Okay, we're going to hold up on those too. So we're going to work our peonies up in here. Let's see. We had one over here. Look at that. A little bit more down right in here, huh? There we go. Wow. Okay, then we're going to get that other one up in here. Woo, look at that, everyone. Okay, now we're going to put those to the side, and we are going to go wild with our yellows. Look at. I think we got more room for some greenery over here. just got all excited and just want to show you what we're making today. I just get so happy to be here with you guys. Yes, indeed. Okay, let's see. We got this like sunflower one. Let's peel that up right there. Ooh, kind of bring it this way so we can see it. And see, we just got a variety of these. Let's piece of florals. Get some yellow in here. Hey, look at that. Let's get some daffodils. Some roses. Look at, wow, mama, look at. Let me see where that goes. Ooh, look at that. How this brings it out, you know, the different colors and, oh yeah, yeah. The yellow. Oh yeah, yeah, look at, we even got a little rose. See where we're going to put that little rose right here. Get this pin on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go out there. Look at that, everybody. Here, we're going to get this right here. Ooh, look at that. I think we're going to, yeah, get this greenery hanging down right here. Another one. So, right here, we're going to pin that on right here. Look at that, everyone. Wow, how beautiful. Okay, we got one more yellow. Where's that going to go? Right here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and we got some of this greenery with some white pebbles in there. We got that. We're going to get some more here. Look at that, everyone. Okay, what else is going on here? Let's see. I think we're going to put one right up in here. Look at that. Got some of this over here. Okay, now we're going to, oh yeah, look at it. It's so beautiful. I think I'm going to get this up here. Oh, there we go. Ah! Get it like that. Bam, look at that. Okay, we got some of these two lemons. Where are we going to get these, everybody? Pop one right in there. We're going to pop another one right in there. Balance them out. We got a couple of these. Watch what these little pieces are going to do. Just put some beautiful color up in there right there. And we got another one right in here, everybody. Oh, wow. How's that came out, everybody? Woo. Should I put it up here and let you all see it? Or should I just stand it here? Look at that. Let's pin it up, huh? There we go. Wow, look at that, everybody. Let me adjust my camera. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. How gorgeous that came out, huh? Just using different items and sorted flowers and just gets going so great, huh? Ay, one more thing, everybody. I was wondering, something is missing. Ooh, get a little over excited. Our ribbon, everybody. Ay. We got our ribbon to go. Okay, excuse me, everybody. Okay, let's get our ribbon on. And I think we got it, everyone. Look at that. There we go. Okay. Twist this on to this beautiful ribbon. Wreath, and fix these around. I'm wondering, like, there is something else that goes on here. Okay, let the show must go on, everybody, huh? Look at that, everybody. We got a ribbon on. How is that? Ooh. Let's see. Let's get some more of these going. Where else can we get some of this? Let's get some of this rose in here. Look at that. There. One more yellow. Bam, look at that. Woo! Okay, everybody. Let me step back and visualize it. Yeah. There we go. Now, how's that? Once again, thanks for coming to my channel. If y'all enjoyed my video or got some kind of inspiration, consider pressing the subscribe button, and you will be notified of my upcoming videos, and you will also be helping my channel out. Once again, everybody, thanks for coming to my channel, and have a great day. Don't forget to get that smile on. Until the next one, we got some more spring going on, and you all have a beautiful day. Wow, just look at that. Thanks for coming to my channel.